explain yourself?
No, of course.
Why not?
Why?
Because you obviously have handcuffs and you're impersonating. Who are you impersonating?
I'm not impersonating no one.
Well, so why do you have a vest on?
Very long story.
Okay, well, go on.
I have no time. It was many times declared on the official, on the recorded regime with the Metropolitan Police, with the different home office
department.
department.
I'm a Metropolitan Police, I'm listening to you.
Live threat.
Like threats? From who?
British intelligence.
Okay, do you have any ID on you, please? I'm gonna put you in handcuffs because I don't know what you have on you. Do you have any ID on you? Is that a yes or a no?
What's the reason to put
Because you obviously got something on you you shouldn't have. You have a vest, you've got handcuffs, and I'm not happy with that.
Yes, you are free to go. Don't worry, it will take long.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, don't worry. You keep going to Cambridge Circus, on the circus, and after you turn left, and you will be in a Covent Garden. If you would like to contribute me half of your price, I would be happy. If no,
good luck.
He has a vest. And is this French Legion or what is this?
From the meeting, we cut our lines.
What's your number?
We'll find another one.
matricule
What's your French Legion number? What's your French Legion number?
Est-ce que vous parlez français?
No. Why can you not say numbers all of a sudden?
Parce que vous ne connaissez pas c'est quoi c'est matricule.
Okay. Why are you listening to Bulgarian songs when you are French national or whatever you're trying to play? Guy has handcuffs on him and a vest.
Hello, sir. It's Mrs. Bosnia. We just stopped the car on the how we call it? Pedicab. On the pedicab, and he has like vest. So
Yeah, can I create a catch please?
It's
About
like
a male
a-
stopped
it's
in
like
a vest and with handcuffs.
yes. So yeah.
Chancellor
So
Road.
he literally said that it's like focus
Outside 127.
friends from yeah.
No, he's in possession of handcuffs and he has some sort of like vest on. So I'm just trying to find out, you know, who he is. And it looks like he has like a French Legion patch on him. So just doing some checks. I'm outside 127 Chancellor Road.
Yes.
Okay, do you need anyone else there?
If there's any male officers around,
Yeah, we're
that would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, go on, Mike.
Yeah, can I speak?
Yeah.
Dean Street, Junction, Groundhog Up. Sorry, you broke what you needed. Are you doing a stop?
He was like
Dean
stopped
Street.
before.
Yes, many times.
anyone else?
It's many times was already investigated. And they get
Yeah, but
official
mate,
evidence.
I'm just saying. Obviously, you've got handcuffs hanging out purposely. Because obviously
for the sexual entertainment.
For what?
For the sexual entertainment,
Mate,
this is the
look
first
like
reason.
that, and then you have
No,
a vest on.
this is the first
And then you
reason.
have a vest on.
Okay, stop.
And then you have a French
no,
patch.
stop.
talk to me.
You are asking
Yeah.
questions. Give me the way to answer.
Well, till now you were not talking to me, so talk to me now.
Okay, you
Well,
ask the
explain
questions.
yourself.
You ask the one question. Give me the answer. Don't
Well,
ask
go
me
ahead.
1,000 questions
Okay,
with the
start
point.
talking.
Yeah,
Start
ask
talking.
first question.
Okay.
I am listening. First question.
Okay, I already asked you the question. I already asked you the question.
Specify the first question.
Why do you have this on?
Live threat from the British intelligence who are fucking following me for the last 9
Who's
years.
following you?
Yeah,
Who's following you?
National Crime Agency.
No one's following you.
Yeah, and for the last 5
NCA
days,
is following you for what?
for links with my French Foreign Legion as with the
You
KGB
never
of the
served in
Republic of
French
Belarus.
Foreign Legion. What's your number? What's your French Legion number?
Est-ce que vous parlez français?
Tell me your number.
No, est-ce que
I've
vous
got a
parlez
friend,
français?
I've got
I
a
will-
friend who served
Yeah.
in French Legion. Tell
Je
me your
veux-
number.
je-
Tell me your number. Tell me your number.
Je veux dire vos
Tell me your French
matricules.
Legion number.
What?
Tell me your French Legion number.
Why you so
Tell me your
aggressive?
French Legion number.
Why are you so aggressive?
Tell me your number. Why you have this patch? Why you have this patch? You shouldn't be wearing this patch representing someone. You're obviously impersonating someone.
I'm not no,
You
no,
are.
No.
You are. What's your French Legion number?
You could contact Dutch
Yeah,
military police
Of course.
and to get
Sarge
my
said he
ID
will
from
call me
there.
back. Sarge said he will call me back. He was stopped a couple of times.
What's your name?
Madam, maybe you will take your handcuffs out.
No, I'm not taking the handcuffs off, honey. No. What's your name?
What the reasons that you ask me my name?
What's your name?
If
I
I-
obviously stopped you, and if you have nothing to hide, you would tell me your name. What's your
Okay,
name?
my name is very simple. A-L-I
Ali what?
Thank you.
Dream.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Go ahead.
I'll just hold it, yeah.
Because I work in for 3 years. I've been searched for over 10 times. Please, don't make this show.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm a very calm person who is staying here. Please take your handcuffs and don't make this show.
No. Okay, Ali what, sorry?
I will give you my ID. In the pocket of the second
Yeah.
bulletproof jacket under this,
Yeah,
if you would
you
open
take
this,
out, please.
take it left one,
Where are you from?
left one.
Where are you?
Where are you
No,
from?
no. Open fully. On the pocket, on the front pocket, on the left hand side, near my herb. Yeah, just open the pocket and take my ID from there.
So if you were stopped a couple of times, that's fine. You are stopped now.
You don't need to open the zip. You just need to open the.
Okay, I can see.
Thank you. You open the flip. There is a bank card and underneath my ID.
2792 Yes, yes.
What do you mean underneath?
Second one. This one, yes.
And what's the first name for?
ALI.
What's the date of birth?
End of the financial year, 1982.
What was that? 1982 what?
End of the financial year, confirm.
If you want to go down that route, then
Okay,
I'm all good.
5th of April, 1982.